Hello, Kerwin and Joanne. I am going to go ahead and film a second property that is down in this neighborhood. It's at 11372 Pike Minnow. It's just around the corner from the other property. And let you view this property. Now it looks like they were finishing up this property here. I don't even know if the front door is open. The garage door was open when I got here. All right, here's coming in the front door. Kind of just like the last one, we have this front foyer area here. Could be an office. And your hallway, kind of, that's your half bath, kind of a similar layout. Okay, and this is going to go to a basement. Unfinished basement area, so we'll make our way around the whole thing. Okay, this is a walkout. Since the house is behind, they'll still have to come in and put the fence between here, but when they're building, they usually hold back from putting that fence up so they don't run into anything. Then here's the other side. Plumbing for a bathroom. $48-gallon water heater. Living room, dining room combo area. Here's our garage. Large kitchen area. There's our coat closet. I like this counter space over here. I like your coffee area and so forth. Good sized pantry. Gas stove. Dishwasher. Range, so that's looking this way. Okay. This is the deck area. Within the next 60-90 days, these homes will be complete. That foundation's already going in. Usually about 90 days is all it takes. 90 to 120 days. A little bit bigger yard area. So all that dirt space would be your yard area. And then of course the fencing would come down between the two properties. Get this taken care of here. Then we'll make it upstairs. Again, you've got your large picture window. Now there are no lights on in this property, and it's already pretty light. So at the top of the stairs, in this one, the loft area is a little bit smaller. Your washer and dryer area. And this is one, the secondary. Come across here, again, another large master bedroom. And then here, you got double vanity, large shower. Oh, this is even larger than the other one. Separate toiletry. So the square footage is a little bit smaller on this property, but it has some things that the other property didn't have. This is the third bedroom. And then our upstairs kind of community bath. Double vanity, Corian countertops, under counter sinks. And then this should be a linen closet. And then here's the fourth bedroom. Okay. So very similar on the layout. Again, the loft area is a little bit smaller. Master looks about the same. The closet is a little bit bigger in this one, but the bath area itself was a little bit smaller. What I noticed, let me come into the garage here. This all looks about the same. Just going to paste this off. Okay, so alrighty, we'll get this second property loaded up and sent to you. Hope you enjoy the video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. All right, we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.